What's your name? Why are you crying? No, don't cry. Oh. How are you? Are you coming to the show today? You don't know? You wanna come? Or do you have tickets? No. Maybe get Michael's number so Michael can, so she can come. Hello. How are you? I think you guys know I was here. Who snitched? Who told you guys I was here? Don't cry. Hey, fine girl like you. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. What's your name again? What?
Meet Fatty.
Meet Fatty. Lovely to meet you. Oh, you're my twin also. Oh, my love. It's okay. Come to the show, okay? Yeah. Michael is gonna get you guys tickets and everything, alright?
Yeah, right.
Come enjoy the show.
Yeah.
I love you. Thank you so much.
Alright,
bye, my love. Come to the show when I look cute to do pictures and everything, okay?
Thank
bye,
you so
my love.
much. Thank you.
Bye, ladies.
Bye. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Tonight's Africa is the giant. To me, Africa is now.
Africa is here. We're not going anywhere.
To see the talent of these beautiful models, you see the great basketball players, coaches, everybody. This is going to go all over the continent, and we're going to continue to show the excellence of Africa.
Okay, Michael's gonna get you guys tickets and everything, alright?
Yeah, right.
Come enjoy the show.
Yeah?
I love you. Thank you so much.
Alright,
bye, my love. Come to the show when I look cute to do pictures and everything, okay?
Thank
bye,
you so
my
much.
love.
Thank you.
Bye.